today we had some athletes here, so I got to announce to them, we're gonna do an airlift of airplanes like this to take athletes from all over the country to the Special Olympics next summer.
Oh, nice.
Wow, it's cool.
Who wants to see the inside of the airplane?
I do.
I do.
I do.
Okay,
Special Olympics USA Games in Orlando. We're going to have 4,000 athletes from all over the nation, 20 different sports. It's going to be huge.
The best part is we get to ride in style.
Whoa.
Ooh, that's cool.
so show me by hand if you've flown on an airplane before. Has everybody flown before?
Yes.
I think this is much better.
I agree.
Can I take one of these home?
The airlift, it's just so exciting. We're gonna take them in style, put a smile on their face, take care of them, and make it a very memorable day for them. We ask our customers to donate the use of their airplane, and they provide free airlift.
Partners across the nation taking our athletes to Orlando to the USA Games.
I'm ready to take this aircraft to Orlando, Florida for my big match.
This airlift provides a unique opportunity for our industry, private general aviation, to demonstrate what it can do, the kind of people and the kind of companies they are.
We need you.
See you in Florida in June 2022.